Leading us off at noon, today we are learning more about the man who was charged with killing a 60-year-old Grand Rapids man last month. The victim, Alevandro Williams, was found dead in the Oak Park Drive area on the city's southeast side. 13 on your side's Trevier Gonzalez joining us now from the newsroom. Trevier, we found out about a connection between the suspect and the victim this morning.
Yeah, that's right, Kirk. From court documentation, as well as the back and forth exchanges in the courtroom, we were able to confirm that the suspect, 45-year-old Sharieff Massey, is the nephew of the victim he allegedly killed. Now, this all came out during a regular hearing in 61st District Court here in Kent County. Massey, who is represented by public defenders, made a point to ask for different attorneys to represent him and then stated publicly that he was innocent and wanted to be able to question his accusers personally. Now, here's a part of what he had to say.
I do not think that this counsel is going to be appropriate for this situation. I want to be able to direct my own questions to the witnesses supposedly saying that I killed my uncle or had something to do with murdering my uncle, which I had nothing to do with, and I want the opportunity to be able to directly question each individual who claims to be a witness on those charging instruments, if possible, if necessary, myself.
Now, during that exchange, it was made known that the 61st District Court is actually short-handed when it comes to judges. Massey was visibly frustrated when he was told that the soonest his preliminary examination could happen in July. Now, Massey most recently had a bond of $200,000 set for that count of open murder. He and his attorneys ended up asking for a bond reduction, but the prosecution argued that this was actually noticeably low, and the judge hearing the case ended up denying him bail entirely due to the safety of the community. Now, as you saw, Massey faces an open charge of murder. Court records indicate that his uncle died as a result of blunt trauma to the head and face. Now, his next court date is set for July 11th. Kirk?